cleaned up my room all the time, and then I didn't want the water spilling on my computer or spilling anywhere, so I just took the water out. So yeah, this is what the result is. I will show you how to make this water in 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, girl. Alright, so this is how it looks with water in it. It's like super pretty too. So what I do is I super pretty. This is okay, just like falling in. And then I put like one of the matches and so I took the water out. I was afraid. I didn't want to not talk to you anymore. So like yeah. Too much. I understand. So, yeah, this my name is Shelton, and my last name is Bieber, because that's my husband. I have these pretty Bianca, Bianca, Bieber, Bianca, Bieber, Bianca, Bieber, Bianca, Bieber, Bianca, Bieber, Bianca, Bieber. This is Bianca. No, this is for Bianca. And this one is Bieber because like Bieber is like Amanda.com. And I think it's like Amanda. And it's supposed to be golden. But yeah, I got these off of Amazon. Didn't really come with this color. It's just like the little stuff on it. It looks like this, but without the little packages and all that stuff. Look at that. This is what you got to pay for. Good morning, my I'm sorry. No, I'm just exhausted. Or, like, please, can I lie? I believe you I lied. I just really like it. Alright, see you all.